After 4 years of strong development with PowerMill, every single area in Paragon is seeing great efficiency gains. We do different products from injection molding to compression molding to RTM, closed and open tooling. We also do large contract machining. All of that work that Paragon does in all the different industries is based on our customer relationships.
Thank you very much.
The relationship that we've had with Autodesk since 2011 has allowed us to do things that back then we didn't quite think were possible.
Paragon had a problem of its own. That problem stemmed from too many softwares on the machine floor. That problem was driving a lot of inefficiencies both in our training and the ability for employees to move from one work cell to the other.
Most importantly, we looked for a software supplier that was going to develop a relationship with Paragon. Somebody who wanted to help Paragon deeper than anybody's ever helped Paragon before when it comes to software. And that's when we landed with, at the time, Delcam, which is now Autodesk. That relationship helped PowerMill work with Paragon and create a good path for development. One of the other things was the ease to grasp that software and translate what's in their head onto the screen and actually get the machine and the computer to do what they're looking for.
The thing we didn't realize is how we were going to grow with it and grow rapidly with it. And there was areas that we needed extra support. One of those in particular was the dynamic machine control for our 5-axis machines. Acquiring PowerMill, PowerShape, and now the Inspect has allowed us to grow in areas that now, here in 2017, we never imagined. Dynamic machine control allows us to handle lights out machining effectively. A customer calls us up, they need a quick turnaround. We're able to utilize, in some cases, all the elements right on the machine tool to qualify the part and ship it same day, same week. Right now we have 13 spindles that can utilize PowerInspect. PowerInspect will be delivering even further as we advance in utilization across our machines. Taking it even a step further, there's a growing demand for small injection tooling. So one of the areas we're really pushing forward in is the PowerShape and the PowerMill electrode module. So through these tools, we're stepping into a realm of automation. We can handle the data from the front office, through the cam room, through the shop floor, programming onto the machine through the weekend shift and allow unattended machining where we could have 1 or 2 guys operating 5 or 6 spindles. In the near future, we can be assured that to continue to further advance machining large parts, detailed parts to meet our customers' demands, we're going to be able to do this effectively with the Autodesk products.
It's really giving us a great foundation to how we plan our future. Paragon is a company that's been around for 75 years. We plan on being around for 75 more at least, and we appreciate that Autodesk and PowerMill partnership as we look to the future for those changes that are going to happen.